The anticipation is almost over. Tomorrow will mark a huge day in history as NASA's New Horizons spacecraft will perform the first flyby of Pluto. One heliophysicist who works at Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt has been waiting a decade for the mission to reach its destination.
The New Horizons spacecraft has been flying since 2006, passing each of our outermost planets along the way. Here at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, scientists and interns monitor the atmosphere of planets closest to Earth. But the distant planets required some special technology.
We are able to see better the instruments we are building, make better instruments, smaller, less power. Essentially the equivalent of an old phone versus a smartphone. This is the first time for the comprehensive modeling all the way to Pluto and farther out.
Dr. Nikolaos Paschalidis recreated 5 integrated circuits used in space missions: the cameras, a radio science experiment, ultraviolet and infrared spectrometers, and space plasma experiments, all with microchips. This small 4-inch squared box contains millions of dollars in technology and will help uncover details about the atmosphere's dwarf planet.
The information we are getting is measuring the escaping population from the Pluto's atmosphere. It is accelerated by the solar wind. It's picked up by the solar wind, as we said, and therefore leaves Pluto, escapes from Pluto. This instrument measures essentially this population which escapes from Pluto.
The Greek native has spent half his life in the U.S. and the last 10 years working on the craft's miniature operations. So it's easy to understand why he's so elated about tomorrow's flyby of Pluto.
First of all, you see the stuff you built when some time ago. It's already flying on a major mission, and it's right there. So it's that all the effort you spend, all the time you spend, it's finally there and produces results.
Are you excited?
Of course, like everybody.
And the closest approach to Pluto will occur tomorrow at 7:49 a.m. Paschalidis says he plans to be up early for that historic event.